Right, here we are given that the question is saying if sine theta is equals to minus square root of 3 over 2, and we are also given that theta is an element of 90 up to 270, like that one, then the question requires us to find the value of cos theta. So which means here, since theta is between 90 and 270, it means we must be able to draw our quadrants so that we can be able to find where exactly is our angle theta. This is 0 there, that's 90, 180, 270, and 360. Here we are given that sine of theta is minus square root of 3 over 2. It's minus in that quadrant. And we are also given that theta is between 90 and 270, which is quadrant number 2 and quadrant number 3. But we need to draw in one of the quadrants. Surely we'll be in quadrant number 3, because in that quadrant sine is negative. It cannot be in quadrant number 2 because sine here is positive. So which means our angle which we measure from we measure from 0 here going anti-clockwise. That means that this is our angle theta. So we are actually given that sine theta is equals to minus square root of 3 over 2. Getting to our formulas, we must remember that sine theta is equals to y over r. Cos theta is equals to x over r. And tan theta is equals to y over x. It also need to be emphasized that x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. Our r is the length here of the radius, our radius here. That's why we call it r. So in this case, we are given that sine theta is equals to minus square root of 3 over 2. And from our formula there, it means equals to y over r. That means to say that our y equals to minus square root of 3. Our r equals to 2. Since r is our radius, r must always be positive. So I'll make this 2 units. Then the coordinates of this point here, we have our y, which we are saying is minus square root of 3. Now we are left with finding our x coordinate here. But we also have this formula that says x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. X squared is what we are looking for, plus, in this case, x squared plus y squared, which is minus square root of 3, everything squared is equals to 2 squared, which means x squared plus 3 is equals to 4. Then that is to say x is equals to 4 minus 3, which is x squared equals to 1, which means our x equals to plus or minus 1. But we cannot take both. We must choose which one is the best. As you can see, we are going to the negative side of the x-axis, which means here our x equals to minus 1. Then here I'll label minus 1. So when we are done with this one, then we can now move on to be able to find cos theta. We know that in this case, cos of angle theta is equals to x over r, which now means in this case cos of theta is equals to, our x is minus 1, which means it will be minus 1 over our angle, our r, which is 2. So cos theta equals to minus half. Simplified. Thank you. Good.